Today, I'll show you how to fix missing DLL files on Windows, so your programs and games run smoothly without errors. If a DLL file is missing and previous steps didn't work, you can download it, but only from trusted, official sources. Never download DLL files from random websites, as they may contain viruses or malware. Once you download the DLL file, place it in the program's installation folder or in C:\Windows\System32. After that, restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. Party popper. Your missing DLL should now be fixed, and your program should run smoothly. Don't forget to share this tip with friends, and subscribe to ZNKY Tutorial for more helpful tutorials. Waving hand.